All right, guys, so let me just tell you about this clamp rack system we just made. I'm really excited about the way it turned out. Safety was the #1 reason why I redesigned the clamp rack. The other one was just very fast, very simple, very convenient, and the clamps just in and out real quick. But it was not safe. My kids, in the shop, if they were to grab a clamp and push up on it, or grab it or whatever, it would come out of the rack and lose its balance and fall out. And it did. That happened one time, and so that's why I'm doing this. But the #1 thing, let me show you, there's 2 safety features. The first one is the shelf on top. Okay, it's just a shelf, but it's about where it's positioned. It's right above the clamps. As you can see, it gives you enough room to get the clamp out. It slides very easily. But if you were to push up on the clamp itself, it's not going to lose its balance and fall out. So that's #1 thing. #2 is the safety stop on the end of the rack. So if I were to pull up out on this, it's going to stop at the end and I can let go. It's just going to hang there. To get the clamp out, it's just one motion to the side. And it's a very fluid motion. It's not anything that feels weird or abnormal or anything. So it's just, that's very comfortable to me. And the added safety is just a bonus. So also we have pipe clamps hanging here, and they come out the same way, and they go back in very easily. And so there's bar clamps here. So it works with any style clamp you may have on your clamp rack. All right, guys, thank you for watching the video.